Let's go guys, Ichimoku Technical Analysis in only 3 minutes.
Alright, what's going on for Ethereum today? We look at the daily time frame on TradingView, and as you can see, what is interesting is we have this short trend line. I will call it a short trend line because this one was formed only starting up on the 3rd of September, when we have this long trend line that started down back to the 12th of May. So this short trend line here, you can see, yesterday our lagging came back into it. So we went above, you can see, because the head of our candle, we went all the way up here, and then finally the day closed back here. We closed the day here. So we came back into it, which means we had a clear resistance going through here. And finally today, okay, we are above. However, the day is not over, so if today we close down under it, then you can expect finally to get a proper pullback, at least here on a daily time frame that will go down our 10 can at 33,670, okay, for the pullback. Let me place it here just in case you guys want to remember that. Up. Now, what are we looking for? But we are looking to see this candle at least closing now like it is, or even higher, of course, but closing not lower than the 3,871, because on that case it means we are probably going to go bearish. So we want to close above, and you can see then after we have a big gap before any other resistance for our lagging. But we break above this trend line, this long trend line, and of course if we do that, we're going to go all the way up to 4,027 at the least before we see any proper pullback or any testing of this resistance, and keep pushing up and up and up. Bitcoin has a potential to go, once we break this, to go above the 5,000, about 5,200 USDT for the pair here. So really there is an opportunity here. It doesn't Ethereum start to wake up compared to other altcoins, since Bitcoin is going bullish crazy, over 10,000 in only 2 weeks. Since the 5th of October we got 10,000 up. But Ethereum was a bit slow. Finally Ethereum wakes up, you can see, since 3 days, let's say. So once we get above this, we need to consolidate and to go push toward our $4,030. So that's it for the moment about Ethereum. It's the weekend, so I think we're going to be ranging, and we still have March here. We still have a gap here to fill up, so until Monday, I would say, before we break above. We might see some other big head on our candle happening even today still, or tomorrow, or after tomorrow, but yeah, before we get any pullback. Yeah, so you watch out. Be careful about this lagging. Make sure it stays above this short trend line. Remember, this trend line is traced from here, the 3rd of September, down to our 8th of October. So you can also trace it on your chart. And watch out, because if we do get back into a pullback, we have this only the 10 can here as a support. We could consider this one as a support, which is correct. But I think we will go at least with a long leg on our candle down to here, to the 10 can as per today. Let's see if tomorrow this 10 can is up. If it's up, then that will be the next place to look at as a pullback, as a price resistance. So yeah, so that's it for the moment, guys. You can you take care. Please leave a comment, and see you soon. Bye bye.
Alright guys, let's subscribe to Style I Crypt YouTube. Ichimoku Technical Analysis. Ichimoku, the best. Ichimoku, Style I Crypt on YouTube. Subscribe.